Causes of unemployment. Following are the major causes of unemployment. First is jobless growth. Since independence, the rate of growth of employment in India has been considerably less than the rate of economic growth. Moreover, the rate of economic growth has not been adequate enough to absorb the increasing labor force. As a result, there is widespread unemployment. Increase in labor force. Death rate has rapidly declined without a corresponding fall in birth rate. Therefore, the country has registered an unprecedented population growth. This was naturally followed by an equally large expansion in labor force, leading to unemployment. Excessive use of machinery. In India, manpower is available in large quantities. Under these circumstances, the country would have labor-intensive technique of production. However, not only in industries but also in agriculture, producers are increasingly substituting capital for labor. Where capital is in abundant supply, use of automatic machines and other sophisticated equipment is both rational and justified. But in India, this policy results in large-scale unemployment. Lack of skill development programs. Vocational skill development courses which are compatible to Indian industry are comparatively less in number. So there is a dearth of skilled manpower needed by the industry. Expectations towards employment. Educated youths in India aspire for white collar jobs. There is lack of innovative and entrepreneurial spirit to organize economic activities where they can be self-employed. Graduates prefer to remain unemployed till they get a job which is up to their expectations in terms of salary and nature of work. Seasonal nature of agriculture. Agriculture in India is seasonal by nature. It depends on monsoon, lack of irrigation facilities, poor soil fertility, outdated production techniques, non-availability of certified seeds and fertilizers are the factors that reduce the capacity of agriculture for other gainful employment throughout the year. The laborers are employed only for a few months in a year. For the rest of the year, the labor force remains jobless. Slow rate of economic development. The overall economic development of India is very slow. Inadequate irrigation facilities, fertilizers, unsatisfactory growth of infrastructure are all due to inadequate industrial expansion. As a result, employment opportunities have not increased enough in the rural sector to absorb the growing labor force. Migration of rural population. There has been a continuous migration of people from rural to urban areas in search of jobs. This has increased the problem of unemployment in urban areas.